Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and if you are new to Keurig coffee makers, let me show you how easy it is to make a cup of coffee. You can pretty much do it in your sleep, which is how most of us probably make coffee when we first wake up in the morning. We have a lot of experience with our Keurig machine because we've owned it for almost 8 years now. I love how it makes a hot, steaming cup of coffee within seconds. So good. There's a lot of versatility. You can use a K-cup pod to make pure coffee or a refillable pod, or you can just run the machine through with nothing in it for hot water to make tea or a cup of soup. The reservoir is large enough to make multiple cups of coffee without having to refill it often. And it's so easy to refill. My husband and I find this so convenient because we have coffee at different times during the day. So it's so much easier to have a 1-cup brew ready to go so that you can just make yourself a cup of coffee whenever you want. Most average size travel thermoses will fit underneath as long as you remove the tray. So if you need a quick cup of coffee in the morning, you like it hot, and you want a machine that's going to last you, then I definitely recommend this Keurig, and that's my point of view.